Go. Come on, Matt, big sissy. Come on. Come on, you're like 350 pounds. Kick it down.
I want to give it a try.
Hold on. Let's see. You can't kick from right here.
Yeah. Trey's gonna run through it. Y'all some sissies.
You kick it. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's tough.
That's fine.
Hold on.
I was gonna use a pry bar, but y'all go ahead. Come on. God.
You're ready to hit at the same time, okay?
On 3.
1, 2, 3.
I'm embarrassed to know you both.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Down.
All right, one more last time. One more last time. Come on. Good job. All right, now clean all that shit up.
You cut it at an angle, that's why.
Yeah, it was the angle.